In this video, I'll guide you through the process of signing up as an individual Amazon seller. First, open Amazon Seller Central website. On the home page, you will find the option to sign up or log in. Under the sign up option, you will see the subscription fees. Let's sign up. Here you can either create and use Amazon account or log into your existing one. Now here you can begin the seller registration process. Select the country where your business is registered. If you don't have a registered business, simply choose your country of residence. Now choose your business type. Since I don't have a registered business, I'll select individual. Here now enter your full legal name. Now enter all your personal details. I already have an individual account, so in the following steps I will use screenshots to demonstrate the process. Now in the next step, select your marketplace. Enter your bank account details or link your bank account. This is where your earnings will be deposited. Next, you will need to enter your credit card details to cover the monthly subscription fee, which will be only charged after your account is successfully verified. Now choose a name for your Amazon store and answer the yes/no questions. Upload all the required documents. Now after filling in all the details, click next. You will then be asked to complete a facial verification. After that, you will receive an email confirming that your account is being verified. Once the verification is successful, you will be charged the subscription fee. Then congratulations, you are now an Amazon seller. In my next video, I will show you how to edit shipping and return settings along with other important settings.